Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Pandas and build data frames efficiently, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Pandas, first ensure that you have Python installed on your computer. You can download Python from the official Python website. Once Python is installed, open your command line interface. For Windows, this will be the command prompt. For Mac OS or Linux, you will use the terminal. To install Pandas, type the following command, pip install pandas. Press enter to execute the command. Wait a moment for the installation process to complete. Once it's done, you can verify the installation. Open a Python interpreter by typing Python or Python 3 in your command line. To check if Pandas is installed, import Pandas by typing import pandas as pd. If no error appears, Pandas is successfully installed. Now, let's create your first data frame. In the Python interpreter, start by creating some sample data. You can do this by using a dictionary or a list of lists. For this example, let's use a dictionary with some sample data. Type data equals name, Alice, Bob, Charlie, age, 25, 30, 22. Next, create the data frame by typing df equals pd dataframe, data. To view the data frame, simply type df. Press enter to see your data displayed in a tabular format. You can manipulate your data frame in various ways. To view the first few rows, use the command df.head. To access specific columns, type df, name, or df, age. To add a new column, simply assign values like this, df, city, equals, New York, Los Angeles, Chicago. To see your updated data frame, type df again. To remove a column, use the command df.drop, city, axis equals 1, in place equals true. This will remove the city column from your data frame. To save your data frame to a CSV file, use the command df.to_csv, data.csv, index equals false. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.